Lindsay with Zillow Group, here today with a little bit of a different conversation than you might be used to hearing from us. This is PA Pro Tips, where we're sharing tips from pros just like you. Joining me is Mackinzie Ross. She is a productivity coach with Keller Williams Group One in Reno, Nevada. Hey.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Great. So now you've really gotten what that client is looking for dialed in. Then, of course, comes the upkeep, whether it's daily or weekly. What do you coach agents on when it comes to that?
You know, to-do lists are always one of those things that pile up and you never get everything done on your to-do list. So one of the things that I found is notes and your calendar. Stay on top of your notes and stay on top of your calendar. Put all those next follow-ups in there, but tasks really help with that. Tasks will tell you when to follow up with somebody that's 12 plus months out, so you're not contacting them too frequently, and you're not letting a 30-day buyer fall through the cracks, which happens often.
I know you've been using this feature, and it's one of the new things that we've introduced in the PA app, but it allows you to create a task list and then carry it with you, whether it's on your phone or your computer, because it's no help if you create a task list and then leave it at home or in your office. So now using the PA app, you can actually create a task list, carry it with you wherever you go, and check things off when you get it done.
Yeah, and it tells you exactly when you're supposed to follow up with somebody. So you're never following up too frequently, and you're really staying on top of what you're supposed to be doing.
Mackinzie, thank you so much for sharing all of your tips with me and with the rest of our PA community at home.
Of course.
And if you want to share your own tips when it comes to lead conversion and some of the things that have worked for you, you can share those on social media with the hashtag PA Pro Tips. Thank you so much for tuning in for this episode of PA Pro Tips, and we'll see you next time.